Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Take a look at setup this morning in gold. Gold had been pushing up. You can see gold's making higher highs, higher lows. This is our Renko chart, our 4-tick trend, 10-tick offset, and 20-tick reversal chart. And we've been making higher highs and higher lows, and gold was pushing higher. And then we got this trend reversal breakout right here. We were making higher highs and higher lows. Then we put in a pivot. Wasn't a lower pivot low. Our previous pivot low was back here. Put in a pivot, then put in a lower pivot high right here. Broke underneath this pivot right there to make our new pivot low. And then gold pushed down. And we poked out of the cloud. Came back into the clouds. One of our favorite continuation setups. Again, we broke under the cloud. Trend was now down. We pulled back into the moving averages, made the wick out of the cloud, and a nice push down, potentially up to $500 per contract here, depending on how you ended up trading that. Made the pullback, set up the wick off the 34. Now everything's looking good. Had a nice momentum reset. All of our moving averages in alignment, price under the cloud, smooth 50 under the cloud, 50 SMA under the smooth 50, 34 EMA under the 50 SMA, 18 EMA underneath the 34 EMA with a momentum reset. So another nice setup right here. Again, depending on how you traded this, potentially up to $800 per contract. So two pretty decent setups in gold. We had some 30-minute price confirmation, because as that trend reversal breakout was happening, we were getting this bar right here. This bar left this topping down, and this was bullish. I mean, look, gold, nice strong bullish move to the upside. Opened at the bottom, closed at the top, opened at the bottom, closed near the top. But then this bar opened right here, left a little topping tail. Then the entire body of this bar was all selling. Pushed down to the 13 EMA, made a little bounce, but the entire body of the bar was selling. This bar opened right here, little tail, and then another bearish bar. The entire body of this bar was all selling, bounced off the 13 again, and finally broke underneath. And this is where we had that pullback for our second move to the downside. So we had 30-minute confirmation off of our Renko setup. So trend reversal breakout that led to a couple pretty nice moves to the downside in gold.